Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back another Cash App free money hack video. Okay, so we're taking a look at another Cash App free money hack video. We're gonna break it down. We're gonna see if it's legit. We're gonna see if it's a scam. This is the one we're taking a look at today because look at this dude, man. Something ain't right with that. He stole my thumbnail. Look, here is my thumbnail. You know, there's my hand, there's my thumbnail. I made this. This dude cut it out and changed the number to 150. Bruh, he just stole my thumbnail. So we're gonna take a look at this video, see if this shit's a scam. Okay, so this is how to get Cash App free money in 2020 with Cash App hack flying money symbol. This video has almost 10,000 views and it's by Cute Pan. All right, so let's click play. Break this thing down, see what it's all about. Great news for everyone who lost their jobs. He said he found this on Reddit. You gotta be kidding me, bruh. What is this background? Like, look at this. 5 minutes of work, guys. You can make $150 a day. Sounds legit, man. I can't wait. Tell all of your relatives to do it as well. Everybody can just quit working. The whole world can just shut down. Everybody can just download Cash App. Make this $150 a day, working 5 minutes. We'll just sit on a beach. So he's showing how he has $0. His name is Freddy Krueger. Hold up. Hold up. First of all, that's not a real screen in the app. Now, Cash App has a verification process. Freddy Krueger's isn't he like a serial killer? Like a famous serial killer or something? Like, dude, you're not gonna be able to get approved if that's your deal. You have to have like a valid ID. There's a verification process. They're not just gonna approve anyone. So he's saying go to this website. Oh, this is the same thing that's in his crazy, ridiculous background here. Cash App Exploiter. So you put in your username, select your platform, select how much money you want. You can pick 50, 100, or 150. Which one would you guys pick? Typical money loading onto the screen BS. All right, come on, buddy. You can wait 3 weeks to get your money, or you can click the button below. Your pick, guys. So it's going to take you to some apps that you have to download. He's fast forwarding where he plays with these apps for a little bit. Now he's going to open Cash App. Why did he have to tap it twice? Okay. First of all, that's not what the app looks like. You guys can open your Cash App right now and see that this interface doesn't match what yours looks like. This is a fake interface. And he opens this up. He scrolls down and there's money loading onto the screen right there. But this isn't what the interface looks like. Look how small that money is. Like, look how small this money is over here. So this is like a fake prototype or something that he built. Might just be a video that he tapped on that's playing. It's very poorly done. If anyone was legitimately getting free money on Cash App, they would be able to go to the transaction section. Hold up. So if anyone was getting free money, they'd be able to go right here to the transactions. So this is all of your activity. And they'd be able to show, oh, I just got $150, it just came in. They don't do that. So it's obviously a scam. It's not legitimate. Don't do this. They're not gonna give you free money. They're just here to make money on ads and things like that. For when you download their games or you play their videos, they're gonna make some money on the ad revenue. They might use your information to try and scam you when you put it into those fields. If you guys fall for this, like, you need to get a job, man. That's how you make money. You get a job and you invest. All rich people invest their money. That's how everyone gets rich. You gotta invest. If you wanna learn about how to use Cash App, if you wanna see some investing experiments, ways to get started, definitely check out the videos on my channel. I have tons of videos like that. You can also use my link in the description to get $5 free on Cash App for signing up, and a free stock on Robinhood that could be worth up to $500. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Subscribe if you want to see more like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, you might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come in